Hi everyone. This video is going to show our timecard approvers how to go into UKG and approve their employees' timesheets. So you should have received an email from UKG with all of your password and login information. Please reach out to HR if you have not received that email because that is how you will get into this initial page. There are a few ways to go about approving time, so I'm going to show you all of them and just really highlight the most important components. So the first way is just logging in as normal to your portal, and you will see on this left side, timesheets awaiting my approval. So these are your employees who have put in time who have not been approved by you. There are a couple of ways that you can go about approving the time. You can click up here on this box and select everything. If this all looked correct, both of these sets of hours looked right, then you can just click approve and add a comment if you'd like. You also can reject in mass. So if that didn't look right on either side, you can reject your employees. You have to leave a comment when you are rejecting. And maybe you want to view just one employee. So you can click on their name and then click view. And on this side, you will see all of the hours that they have put in on their end. So this is what their screen looks like. If you're curious when they're putting in their hours, this is their view, but you cannot edit any of the times. So if something looks incorrect to you, all you're going to do is reject it and leave a note. So maybe you say like, forgot to take a lunch on Thursday or something in the comments so they know why you rejected it. So going back, for example, if you had this week, there are no hours submitted. So maybe you want to take a look at that. You see, okay, they did not put in any hours, but I'm going to approve that and you do not need to leave a comment. Once you have approved those hours, it will go away. So when you go back to that initial dashboard, it will not be there anymore. So you just will have these two and you can reject them, you can approve them, and that makes it super simple. The other way that you can go about doing this is that you will receive an email that will look just like this. You currently have time entries awaiting your approval. This is not the real email. This is just a screenshot of it because I'm not set up as a real time card approver. It's just my test. But you can click on this little hyperlink and that will take you directly to all of your timesheets. So you can see there are some that are submitted, some that are open. Let me refresh this page because it will have gotten a little shorter. But all of these do not have any hours submitted. It is only these two. So you can click here and you can approve them. You do not have to leave a comment when you're approving. You only have to leave a comment when you are rejecting and approve. So it is very simple, but to ensure that your employees get paid on time, it's very important to make sure you do that. You can go in without having received that email. You can put them in throughout the week and approve them throughout the week, but it's very important to make sure you do that on time. Like I said, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. HR is more than happy to help, and we hope that this was very informative. Thanks so much.